Here we have a Volkswagen Tiguan R-line Tech SCR 4Motion DSG 2-litre TDI 240 PS. Now, as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include tinted rear windows, progressive power assisted speed sensitive steering, park assist with front and rear parking sensors, and a glass panoramic sunroof with sunblind. It also comes with 20-inch Suzuka alloy wheels, as well as a spacious boot with space for a spare wheel. The interior includes 3-zone climate control, wireless app connect, and sliding reclining rear seats. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.